morning students. Today we will learn our new chapter number 12, that is past continuous tense. We already learned about the present tense, right? The simple present tense, then present continuous tense, and then the present perfect tense, right? Here just we learn about the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, as the name suggests, that's continuous, and we already this one continuous. That means something is running out, और वो कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा काम चालू है, right? अभी वो काम हो रहा है, but we have to notice that the past, that means कि past में किस समय पे कुछ काम चालू था. For example, when we study examples ना बेटा, we will learn better it, right? For example, रात को 10 बजे मैं रीडिंग कर रही थी, तो मैं क्या बोलूँगी बेटा कि I was reading at 10 o'clock yesterday. That means मैं रात को 10 बजे क्या कर रही थी? at 10 भी कह सकते हैं, अगर 10 o'clock नहीं लिखना चाहते तो इट्स ओके. at 10 मैं क्या कर रही थी? मैं रीडिंग कर रही थी, राइट? सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स डिनोट दैट द सर्टेन टाइम पे पास्ट में आपने येस्टरडे कह सकते हो, आप 2 दिन पहले का भी कह सकते हो. तो येस्टरडे में आपने पास्ट में जो चीज़ कंटिन्यूटी दिखाई हो कि सर्टेन टाइम पे आप ये काम कर रहे थे, राइट? फॉर दैट वी यूज़ दिस पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. As we learnt about that this with the subject or the pronoun we use different type of to be forms, right? Like in present tense with I we use am, here we use was. What we use? Was. Then you, when we use in present tense are, here we use the were, right? He, she, it. Here for all the plural we also use this were. Here he, she, it we use was. Understand बेटा? So whenever continuity आएगी, कभी भी continuous tense होगा तो ing form है, this type of ing form we already learnt in chapter number 5, the knowing or introduction of the tenses, right? उसमें हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था कि ing फॉर्म कैसे बनता है, और ing फॉर्म व्हेन वी यूज टू शो द कंटिन्यूटी, राइट? बट दिस ing फॉर्म नेवर कम अलोन, एक अकेला कभी नहीं आएगा. विथ सम टू बी फॉर्म इट ऑलवेज कम्स, हमेशा कोई ना कोई टू बी फॉर्म है उसके साथ ही आएगा. जैसे प्रेजेंट में, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में वॉज वर आ गया, राइट? और यहाँ पे पास्ट में क्या आ जाएगा? सॉरी, प्रेजेंट में आएगा एम इज आर, और पास्ट में आएगा वॉज और वर. अंडरस्टैंड बेटा? सो व्हेन वी वांट टू मेक इट इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, देन सिंपली एज वी डू इन present tense, I was not then reading at 10 yesterday, right? When this I want to make its short form, then it is wasn't, right? Then I want to make this in a question, right? Then what should we do? We can ask question, WH क्वेश्चन अगर हमने पूछना है तो हम WH क्वेश्चन भी पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर हमें yes और no में आंसर पूछना है, then simply क्या करेंगे कि was और were जो भी रहेगा उसको हम simply सब्जेक्ट के आगे लगा देंगे. Understand beta? So this is all about the past continuous tense, right? In your book some exercises are given. In question number exercise number 1, we just take one sentence from each exercise, then it will be clear to you, right? That is exercise number 1. That is Mrs. Chopra. First sentence is Mrs. Chopra dash on the phone. It may be here we use the some instruction is given for exercise 1, that is Mrs. Chopra returned from the office at 5:30 yesterday afternoon. What was happening at his house when he arrived? Fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense. It is instructed to you that past continuous tense में ही आपको ये सारे आंसर्स देना है, और आपको जो भी टाइमिंग है वो पहले से इंस्ट्रक्शन किया हुआ है. तो यहाँ पे हर सेंटेंस में, जैसे मैंने फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में लिखा था जैसे एट 10 आई वॉज रीडिंग राइट yesterday, but I not mention here yesterday or any time because instruction is given for common to all the sentences. Here Mrs. Chopra was talking. Here talk is verb is given here, talk, right? Then what we have to write here, answer will be was and talking. Okay beta, now here the second one exercise is given to you as instructed as exercise number 1. Here at 7:45 she was making tea. आपकी मदर के बारे में भी हो सकता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे आप मिसेस दास के बारे में यहाँ पे सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है. तो at 8:30 she was 8:30 को क्या कर रहे थे? water the plant. Then we have to make it into continuous tense. Then how can we make continuous tense? Exercise number 2, that at 8:30 in your book exercise is given and the blank is given like this. She was, some instruction also given in past tense. We just make it into past continuous tense. she है तो क्या आएगा बेटा? was. Yes, she was watering the plant, right? So this is way we can solve our exercise very easily. It's very simple tense for you. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.